And one of those companies that was trying to do that, but recently had to pack it in, LG smartphones.
Mm-hmm.
This is an interesting story about a collector of LG smartphones. The quote here is phone maniac, who apparently will not give up his LG smartphones. He says he won't give them up, even though the company that makes them is getting out of business. His name is Ryu, 53, collected nearly 90 devices.
What do you mean he won't give up?
Over 23 years. No, he won't give them up. He started using LG phones because he liked their design and creative functions, but the audio quality made him fall in love. Oh. That was one of the things they hung on to longer than others. They put a DAC right in it.
Oh, right.
So this is his pile of devices, I guess. Oh, no, this is just a bunch of phones. Oh, no, that's him, man. 53 years old. Ryu Hyun-soo, 53. Oh, wow. And he's got every... he spelled LG. Click on the next one.
Oh.
Couple points.
Yeah.
Couple points for such a thing.
Hey, so do the Nexus devices count in his collection? Because LG made the Nexus devices.
I bet you. Yeah, I see one right there.
So he's including the Nexus.
I
have one of those in my drawer.
I see one.
Send it to him.
I see one.
Do you? Where?
Never mind. Here's another quote. I think they were rushing to catch up with Samsung, sacrificing the quality, and to cover up the issue, the other company was focusing too much on the design and other functions, and that led to repeat problems. He was confident with his plan to use LG phones forever, and he will buy parts online. It's easy to replace parts when you practice a little, so he's deep into it.
Yeah.
He's got a workstation, like a setup.
Look at the thing hanging on the door.
Oh, wow.
How he organizes them in those little slots. I don't think that was originally made for that. And look at all the gear. He's got the glue guns and the heat guns, and
I think he's like refurbing his own phones, extending the life.
It's like a collector, like a car collector. Refurbish or restore the classics.
Yeah, maybe this will be worth something, like quite a lot of money someday.
The South Korean phone maniac.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it says.